Hi guys, thank you for watching another video from Independent Crypto Investor. I will be talking about the HODL token today. So since this token has been going up and down a lot and has been changing a lot, and the new version of it came out recently, I just want to make a video on this one. And since the new version came out, some people are still getting confused about it and have many questions, and I want to help them about this. So before we get into the video, just another friendly reminder, this is not a financial advice. I'm not recommending you to invest in this. It's all your responsibility, your money, not my money. So if you lose it, I shouldn't be held accountable for your money. All right, so going back into the video. So HODL token has recently launched their second version. So we have two versions of HODL. So let's just look at the first version very quickly. So the first version has been around about 2 or 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. The first version is on CoinMarketCap already. And here you go. This is the chart. So they started back in May 25th, 2021, and they pumped it a lot. Like it was at like 1664 price, and then it went up to that's actually like so it says 2318, but that's actually if you can see, the zeros are changing, the number of zeros, so it's like about 20x went up and then came back down again. I'm not sure why it came back down. And now you see a little pump over here. This is when the second version was launched. Although the first version you see over here, this went up with the second version as well. So we don't want to confuse this first version with the second version. So this is also the first version on PooCoin charts. As you can see, this is the last couple weeks from that's actually almost last month. This is the all last 30 days. So this is the first version. The second version has its own contract, has its own chart, has its own price and market cap. So it's like a totally different token, but with the same name, same branding, and the same team and the same website behind it. So we don't want to confuse both of these together. So as you can see, this second version, also called HODL 2.0, just started back in July 22nd, and today is July 25th, just about 3 days old. And as we can see, we're seeing some signals like it went up a lot and then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, lots lots of up and downs. And then the reason for lots of up and downs is because some investors are still, I mean, not some, actually, the majority of HODL investors, old investors and the new ones, they're a little bit confused with the first version and the second version, which we can see over here. So that's why you see lots of sell-offs and going ups and downs. So I want to solve this confusion among the HODL investors. So if you're a HODL investor watching this, I think this video is going to help you a lot. So let's start with how you can change your token from the first version to the second version. So the first major question is what's gonna happen for the first version of HODL token. So if you own this one over here, uh, what's gonna happen to your token? So as of today, July 25th, these are the news and updates. So according to one of the developers, I talked to them in Telegram channel. They say that beginning tomorrow, so July 26th, they will disable disable the access for people to buy and sell the first version of HODL tokens. So you won't be able to buy and sell your tokens. The only thing that you can do is to I guess send the old version to another wallet, or just migrate it to the second version. So convert it to second version. So it's beginning tomorrow, you won't be able to buy and sell this HODL token. Does that mean the value is going to go down? Not quite. So since also selling is disabled, the value is not going to go down. So what is going to happen exactly? I want you to listen to this very carefully. What's going to happen is when you migrate, which I recommend you to do so if you have HODL version first token, what you have to do is you have to migrate. So how migration works is when you migrate your HODL token, and I will show you how to migrate your tokens, just bear with me. What happens is when you migrate from HODL version 1 to HODL version 2, there is another smart contract created for this migration, which is when you migrate, your first version of HODL token will automatically go to a burn address. So the supply is decreasing every time when people migrate from HODL version 1 to HODL version 2 to HODL version 1's supply is keep decreasing as you migrate. So that's why since supply is going down, the price gonna stay stable. So your migration doesn't affect the pricing of the first version. So you migrate to HODL version 2, and then when your HODL version 1 tokens are burned, the smart contract executes that exact same amount of HODL version 2 to your new address. So that's pretty much what happens when you migrate. So let me show you how to migrate your HODL 2.0 version. So first, make sure you go to their website. This is their official link. Don't go to any other link. If anyone asks you, if anyone tells you that they can help you with migration, do not listen to them. If someone DMs you like, send me your first version, I'll send you your second, please don't do it. The only way to migrate is through their official website, hodltoken.net. This is their official website. Don't do it from any other website. I'll leave the link down in the description below. When you open this website, you're gonna see this page opened up in front of you. You just have to scroll down, and these are the stats for the second version. So if we go back to the first version, so just remember this $26.6 million market cap. Let's go back. So this is the first version. The first version, the market cap went down. It's because people are migrating, and the supply of the token is going down. So that's why the market cap is decreasing, but the price is not getting that affected. So price only goes down if people actually sell it. With migration, this doesn't go down, so you don't have to panic. Even if you migrate it, so the price over here is actually less than the version 2 price. So if you actually migrate from version 1 to version 2, you will increase your token's value by 10-20%. Now it depends on how much this token is above this price. And so going back to HODL's website, so how you migrate is you have to connect your wallet. It's through MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal wallet. And now HODL's developers, they recommend SafePal more than any of these other tokens. So if you have SafePal, go with it, and you have all these other options. So since I have MetaMask, I'm just gonna click on it, and now I'm connected to HODL's website with my MetaMask account. And so it says migrate to HODL 2.0. So this wallet that I opened, I don't have HODL in this one. I have HODL in my other wallet. This wallet is just for educational purposes. That's why I have 0 HODL from each of the HODLs. So when you connect to your account, you will see that you have some HODL version, first version token over here, and then you probably have 0 HODL version 2. You're gonna click on swap now. So you're gonna swap from HODL 1 to HODL 2. The instructions will come on MetaMask. There is some fees associated with it. So when I did the swap, I swapped about $100 worth of HODL, and the associated fee was like only $1.10 or something like that. So that was for me, but make sure you look at your fees yourself. You might have different fees based on the wallet you have, I mean the platform you have. And so that's how you transfer. And please, this is very important, please keep this in mind, that you can only do the swap only once. So if you do the swap, you change your HODL 1 to HODL 2, and then you go and buy some HODL 1 token, you won't be able to do the swap from here. You can't just do it. It doesn't let you. It only lets you to do the swap only once per wallet. So if you accidentally purchase HODL 1 token after this migration, the only way for you is to sell your HODL 1 version token and then just buy HODL 2 version token manually, and then you will lose 10% tax on the first transaction and 10% on the transaction buying HODL 2 version. So you're gonna lose 20%. So please don't buy HODL 1 version, especially after the swap. So just don't buy HODL 1 version because you won't be able to use this in the future. All you will be able to do is only do migration once from this to this. So just don't buy HODL 1 token. But you don't have to sell your HODL 1 token if you haven't done the swap. You don't sell, you just transfer. But after the swap, if you still have HODL 1 version token, you have to sell and just buy this manually, and that's gonna put 20% behind. So that's with that. So about the futures, I mean, they added 4 new futures over here, and I love this no gas fee thing over here. It's because, I mean, you can read it yourself. So the gas, so there's no gas fee when you're I guess reinvesting. Yeah, when you reinvest your, so reinvesting also is a new feature. Let's just look at the reinvesting first. So remember in the first version, HODL, we had to go every day and withdraw BNBs as our daily reward. Now you have that option to reinvest that daily reward into HODL. So when you launch the app, let's just look at it, and that no gas fees for the reinvestment. So if you reinvest, you don't pay gas fee. So if we look over here, so I have no HODL in this wallet, so that's why it shows 0 over here. But you have also this sweet option over here that you can invest 100% of the HODL, you can or withdraw 100% of the BNB, or you can just put it in the middle or just adjust as you wish. So this is a really nice feature, and you will have your information over here. So I mean, it wasn't like this. They added lots of features and they improved their websites. They made the website very user friendly. I really like that as well. And this is just a new video. Let's just watch it. Why not? The video looks like, oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, video looks like has some problems. Oh, there we go. Or not. The video is not real. I mean, you can go play this video yourself. It's on their website. I think it's on YouTube as well. And so they still have the calculation over here. So since we witnessed a big drop in the price of the first version of the token, so like all-time high was at like 270 billion. No, I mean million. Oh my God, not billion. The all-time high was at $270 million market cap, but right now we're at like for the first version it's at 8 million. But we're just gonna stop caring about the first version. The second version is at 25 million, I guess, so it's like 1/10 of the all-time high. So since after that drop, like if we put like, I don't know, 70, let's put like 500 or even less, because my target is to earn almost 1 BNB per day. So if you invest 430 BNB right now, which that's a ton of money. Now every HBNB is like $300 right now, so this is like this is more than $70,000 right there. If you invest $70,000, you will earn $300 BNB every day, and your yearly reward is 387 BNB, so that's like about 80% APR. So you gain 80% per year on your investment. And there's the recover initial investment. So until reaching the 100% return on investment, it's as of now, it's 404 days. So this is based on the volume and the transactions going on at the moment. Since the volume and the transactions are lower than the time that this was in all-time highs, But the thing that I like about it, if you invest, for example, if you invest one BNB right now, and then price of the HODL token goes up by 10x, so then your first BNB is gonna worth 10 BNB. So with investing one BNB right now, you will earn 0.002 BNBs, and then the days of recover initial investment by rewards is still 404 days as of now. But if this goes up by 10x, not just your value of your investment will go up itself, you will start to earn you will start to earn even more than this. And the days to recover initial investment, this is gonna go up as well. Yearly rewards, this is gonna go up as well, because not just the value of your tokens went up, also since the volume and the number of transactions are higher, like at the all-time highs, these are gonna go up even further. So you can actually, you will have the chance to earn like even up to half BNB daily rewards with just investing one BNB right now, if this goes to all-time high. I mean, I'm not saying guaranteed it's gonna go to all-time high, but I believe it has the potential to. So this is something that I really like about this token. And once again, these are just estimates and not financial advice, obviously. We have around 23% of the tokens burned. So this is this pre-sale and launch. I mean, this goes back to the first version, if I'm not mistaken. So let's actually look at the statistics in detail. Let's go to BSC scan. This is for the first version. Let's compare first and second version on BSC Scan 2. So this is the first version. There are currently 92,000 addresses holding the token. That's still a lot. I mean, this went down a lot because people are migrating their tokens from this to the second version, and they were almost 500,000 transactions since 2.5 months ago. Now going back to second version, there's only almost 8,000 addresses holding this token. So 92, and this was like up, like this was I think at like 200 300,000, and this is only at 7,000. So we're still like in the first steps of seeing this token's actions and transfers. That I mean, we can compare the transfers because this was the transfers from the day one, almost 500,000, and this is only at 16,000. So there is still lots of ways to go. And these are the transactions. Let's look at the hodlers. So once again, burn address is actually gone up to 25%. This is for the second version. And then the developers, they, I mean, with including the burn address, they own 23% of all tokens. So if we just ignore the burn tokens that went to the burn address, I think they own slightly more than 30 or 35% of all tokens at the moment. So this makes them millionaire, in fact, multimillionaire. But I believe they have their responsibility and they know how to manage this money to spend it on marketing, on their team, and improving their token. This is an smart contract, so I think this is the one that gives people the token that they're migrating from the old version to the new one, same as this one. So these both, I think they are just giving the new investors migrating to the second version token. And these are just other random investors over here. So I just want to show you this very quickly. And if you go to the contract and see if the ownership is renounced or not. Was it from here? I guess, wait, did I miss it? Wait, let's just read contract. I mean, I think you had to go from right contract. I think, okay, the address, wait. It should have been here somewhere. I mean, the developer owner. Okay, ownership is not renounced yet. I mean, obviously it's because they're still working on the contract. They might change some stuff to improve it. So I mean, since they're a multi-million dollar, this is a multi-million dollar token. I think it's fair to say that they're credible. They're not just gonna cash out everything and run away, in my opinion. But anyways. And this is, if you guys wondering, this is the contract address for the second version. I mean, if you can see over here, even the contracts are different. So these both are totally different tokens. So I will leave the second contract address below in the description. Also, I want to say one more thing about seeing your HODL version 2 token in your wallet, whether it's in Trust Wallet, MetaMask, say SafePal. So if you want to see your tokens, what you have to do is you have to copy this contract address in my description below, and then you just have to go to your MetaMask account, for example, in this one. I mean, I already added this token over here. But if you want to do it, just go to add token, just paste the address over here, and everything else will appear over here. Token symbol is HODL, and the token decimal is 9. Then you click on next, and then you add the token. There you go. So this is for the new version, and this is for, I think this is the old version I have. So yeah, pretty much that. So that's how you see your tokens over there. Just a friendly reminder also that you won't be able to see the value of your total tokens in your wallet yet, because the second version is not on CoinMarketCap yet, but we're waiting to see this going on, not this one, second version to go on CoinMarketCap. So the only way to see the chart is from PooCoin charts. As of now, I'll leave the description for the chart also down below. And just some couple more exciting updates that the developers are saying we're gonna get. I mean, the second version is gonna get listed on xt.com. It's a famous exchange. Even the first version was not listed on xt.com, but the second version will. So that's a big potential over there. And the developer they said in addition to getting listed on xt.com, we might also get listed on CoinMarketCap after getting listed on xt.com. And if that happens, the second version gets listed on CoinMarketCap. I believe, I mean, lots of investors believe that price is going to jump up a lot. And even more exciting thing about this is that we're gonna get listed on xt.com on Monday, July 26 at 9 in the morning Universal Time. So from the date of the recording this video, I mean from the hour of recording this video, that's about like 17 hours later. And so since I'm recording this before the xt.com listing, as right now you see the market cap is $27 million. So let's see what's gonna happen after the listing. So make sure to leave a comment down below after the listing on xt.com and CoinMarketCap, and mention how much is the market cap as of the date and the time that you're watching this video in the future. It might be 2 days later, 3 days later, a week from now. So I'm excited to see those comments from you guys as well. So this is pretty much it, and once again, thanks so much for watching all the way through this video. I hope you learned some important things, and I could answer the majority of the questions that you had as HODL investors, and I wish you the best of luck. And I will leave more links down below, such as the Telegram channel, the official website, everything else. Make sure to go check them out as well, and I hope to see you in the next video.